hope you are having a wonderful morning. This is day 5 of the Steel Toes and Sledgehammers Deconstructed Gala, presented by Laurin General Contractors. Now, today we're going to hear from our gold sponsor, Capital Taxi, known as Ottawa's hardest working taxi company. Capital Taxi focuses on giving the best customer service and supporting their community one ride at a time. This is what Capital Taxi had to say about supporting Habitat Greater Ottawa's gala for the past several years. Thank you so much, Capital Taxi, for the continued support of the gala. Now, for those of you tuning in from home, be sure, I can't underscore this enough, be sure to check out the auction and the 50/50 on our website, habitatgo.com/gala. Proceeds, as you know, will go directly to people, local families across Ottawa in need of safe, secure, and affordable housing. And it's great for you too. There's always a chance to win big. So please check it out and have a great day.